Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, I'd like to present some ways to say how are you using 5 different Austrian accents and dialects. Of course, there are many more accents and dialects in Austria. They might change from valley to valley or even from village to village. This should just be a quick overview and insight into the topic. In this video, we cover Upper Austria, Vorarlberg, Tyrol, Styria and Vienna. So here we go. The learning goal of this video is to get to know 5 different ways to say how are you using Austrian accents and dialects. In general, how are you is wie geht's in German. Now we're going to discover some variations. Let's start with Upper Austria, Oberösterreich. In Upper Austria, wie geht's may sound like wie geht's dir denn? Wie geht's dir denn? So it's similar to Standard German, but you notice that it's kind of dialect or accent. Now let's go to the west, to Vorarlberg. In Vorarlberg, you may come across the question wie geht's? Wie geht's? So we see that geht's becomes geht's. The dialect in Vorarlberg is similar to Swiss German. If you're interested in it and want to find out more about it, please check out my video in the right hand corner. We stay in the west, in Tyrol. In Tyrol, you may come across the phrase wie geht's dir denn? Wie geht's dir denn? In Tyrol, the ch sound is very important, and s often becomes sh. Now let's turn to the Steiermark, or Styria. In Styria, you will hear the phrase wie geht's dir denn alleweil? Wie geht's dir denn alleweil? In Styria, the O sound is very important, and you will hear it very often there, and so you notice that it's probably the dialect of Styria. If you want to have some more information about the dialect or accent of Styria, please check out my video about it. Finally, let's go to Vienna, or Wien. The classic dialect, or maybe a bit kind of slang, would sound like Erst, wie geht's dir denn? Erst, wie geht's dir denn? This would be an example of the traditional dialect. In Vienna you often come across Standard German, but our example sounds a bit like slang or a traditional Viennese dialect or accent. And by the way, Erst means listen in English or senti in Italian. I hope I could give you a little insight into the Austrian accents and dialects with the help of these examples. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.